Hello everyone, welcome to Moving Violations. I'm Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for EC&M. Check out the way this sign is wired. There's an MC cable going into the top there, and first of all, I don't think that's the right type of MC for this outdoor wet location. I don't think that complies with 330.10a11, and those MC connectors, they also do not look like they are rated for this outdoor wet location. And then the wiring inside the sign, it's uncovered. There's no sleeves on it. I don't think they are sunlight resistant in accordance with 310.10d. And then the other problem is, where is the disconnect for this sign? There's no plaque directing me where the disconnect might be, and as I zoom out, you will see there's no disconnect. None that I can see anyways.